bestinlinemerch.com. Merida, Mexico, where vibrant culture meets stunning architecture, and every corner is bursting with history and flavor. If you're planning a trip to this beautiful city, I've got some ultimate travel hacks that will make your adventure not just enjoyable, but unforgettable. First things first, let's talk about packing. You're going to want to have the essentials, especially since Merida's climate can be quite warm and humid. Lightweight clothing is a must. Think breathable fabrics like cotton and linen. And don't forget a good pair of walking shoes. You'll be exploring the colorful streets, and trust me, you'll want comfort as you stroll past the colonial buildings and bustling markets. Now let's address the heat. Sunscreen is your best friend. You don't want to end up looking like a lobster after your first day. A wide-brimmed hat and sunglasses are also great additions to your travel gear. Staying hydrated is key, so bring along a reusable water bottle. You can refill it at your hotel or local shops, which not only saves money, but also helps reduce plastic waste. Speaking of money, it's wise to have some pesos on hand. While many places accept credit cards, having cash is handy for street vendors and small shops. When you arrive in Merida, the first thing you'll notice is the friendliness of the locals. Don't be shy, engage with them. A simple hola or gracias goes a long way, and you might even get some insider tips on the best places to eat or visit. And let's not forget about the food. Merida is a culinary paradise. Be sure to try the cochinita pibil, a slow-roasted pork dish that is an absolute must. Visit the local markets for fresh produce and street food. Just follow the crowd to find the best stalls. And if you're feeling adventurous, try some of the local fruits like sapote or pitahaya. Transportation in Merida is quite convenient. While walking is a great way to soak in the sights, you might want to consider renting a bike. The city is bike-friendly, and it's a fun way to explore. If biking isn't your thing, there are plenty of affordable taxis and rideshare options. Just remember to agree on a fare before you hop in, or use a rideshare app to avoid any confusion. Now, let's talk about the cultural experiences that await you. Merida is rich in traditions, and if you're there on a Sunday, don't miss the Plaza Grande. The square comes alive with music, dancing, and local artisans showcasing their crafts. It's a great opportunity to mingle with locals and experience the vibrant atmosphere firsthand. And if you're a history buff, the Mayan ruins are just a short drive away. Chichen Itza and Uxmal are breathtaking and offer a glimpse into the ancient civilization that once thrived in this region. When it comes to accommodations, you have options galore. From charming boutique hotels to cozy Airbnb rentals, you'll find something that suits your style and budget. Staying in the city center is a smart move. It puts you within walking distance of many attractions. Plus, you'll get to experience the nightlife, which is lively and full of energy. Grab a drink at one of the rooftop bars and enjoy the stunning views of the city as the sun sets. Lastly, don't forget to embrace the unexpected. Travel often comes with surprises, and that's part of the adventure. Whether it's stumbling upon a hidden gem of a cafe or making a new friend, keep an open mind and heart. Merida is a city that welcomes you with open arms, and you'll leave with memories that last a lifetime. So pack your bags, grab your travel essentials, and get ready for an incredible journey in Merida, Mexico. You won't regret it. Like and subscribe.